go to your web browser and type in csu-ceams.com. On the home page, you're going to click the Login button. Please put in your username and your password and then click Sign In. On the home page, a dot will appear which shows your measurements. If you click on View More Data, this will take you to your data page with the time series of your observations. You can also reach this from the home page by clicking on Devices and then clicking on the name of your device. On this page, you'll be able to look at the time series of PM2.5 and AOD. If you want to download your data, click the Download Data button. You'll click the date range that you want, and then you'll give a description for yourself. I'm going to call this the last weekend of September. Once you've given a reminder, you can download the selected data. You could either access this from your home page through the notifications, like I'm showing here. If you click on this, it will take you to your file downloads. Click Download and it will automatically start to download the CSV file. You can also reach this from the bar on the left by clicking the Data. Going back to the devices or the data here, again you can download. You can open this file in Excel. And if you look at the time steps, it's showing the most recent observation first. If you would like to use these CSV files, please contact the team and we'll give you a complete explanation of all of the different columns.